These are the home study program learners of Angelicum College. So what's your name?
Crystal.
Okay, what?
Crystal.
Where from?
Makati City.
Oh, Makati City. Okay. We are in the home study program. These are the learners of the home study program. They are having their modules. These are the modules. This one. Yeah, come on. Can you say something? Yes.